everybody, it's your boy Anthony Brown Jr., man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Well, today we doing some, as you can see, I got on my mechanic gear today. I got my mechanic uniform on today, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, boy, gonna go do some mechanic work today. I got a 2011 BMW 335is that needs the front wheel hubs changed on it. So, take y'all on the ride, man. Show y'all how I get that right there done, man. So, keep up if you ain't gotta catch up, baby, because I'm taking you somewhere.
Yes! Big round of applause! Big round of applause!
What's up with it, everybody? We here on location. You know what I'm saying? Finna get ready to do the wheel hub on this 2011 BMW 335is. This right here what we're gonna be working on. I'm gonna come in and to get this right here. It's kind of rigged up. Come in and cut that right there off. I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm doing the wheel hub right here on this side, man. So show y'all what I got going. Keep up so you ain't gotta catch up. Next thing you want to do is start taking off these caliper bolts on the back. You got two 18 millimeter bolts holding on this caliper bracket in the back. You want to take those two right there off so you can get this caliper out the way and get it hung up. I'll just put to the side so you can get this rotor up off of there. This thing out. Boom. Get that caliper on up off of there. Ooh. Take this thing up off this. Take this brake line off of here. Let's see. Get that right on up off of there. Alright, so the rotor can come off now. Now with the rotor out, we can go ahead on and get to the wheel hub. We are now, ladies and gentlemen, at the wheel hub. This right here is the wheel hub right here. Like I said, this job ain't too bad. Again, I'm working on a 2011 335is. 335is. Alright, next up we gotta replace, we're now at the wheel hub. We're now at the wheel hub. We gotta take off these 4 bolts right here. 2, 3, 4. This right here is gonna release the wheel hub. So let me see if I can get these right here broke. Damn. This shit on here tight, ain't it? They probably got some Loctite on these damn bolts. That's probably why they so damn tight. Well, you gotta have some strength. You gotta have some strength. Yeah. Well, let me tell you something. BMW put these damn bolts on tight. Let's take this damn wheel hub out. These 4 bolts, these 4 mounting bolts for the back of this wheel hub. Be ready to put up a fight. I've been working on this thing for about, just the bolts I'm talking about, for about 10 minutes. Still only got 1 bolt out. Got 3 more to go. So keep watching. Okay. So after about, I say about 20 minutes of work time to get off the 4 bolts, the four mounting bolts, for the wheel hub, I finally got it off. Doggone ridiculous, man. Alright, so don't forget, once you get the old one off, to take off this rotor set screw to be able to put on a new one once you put that on. So don't forget that. Be sure to replace the new bolts that comes with the new hub. You don't want to use these old bolts that came off the old hub. The new bolts have the Loctite already on the screw, or already on the bolts. The red part is the Loctite. You need that Loctite to be on there. So be sure to use the new bolts. The old bolts had the Loctite on it, which is why it was so hard for it to come off. So dispose of those, keep them, do whatever. But be sure to use new bolts. Okay, so check this out. So there is a tab that's right here on the wheel hub. You want to make sure that the tab is facing right on this side of the mount. Because as you can see, there is, let me see if I can angle it up a little bit. How this wheel hub mount is set, these two holes has a different distance between these two. Same with this wheel hub. These two holes has a different distance between the two from these two. So when you put it in, you want to make sure that this tab, like I said, this tab is be facing towards the back of the car. And then it's gonna face on just like that. So check this out. Putting in these new bolts, putting in the new bolts with the new mount, you want to do a hand tight first. Like I said, these things have the Loctite on it. It has the Loctite on it already. Check the Loctite out. It's red. So it's gonna be tight either way it go. But you want to start putting them in hand tight first. Do it by hand first. Don't try to come in with no gun or nothing like that, no impact gun or no specialty tools. Just do it hand tight first to get everything started. Get everything started and seated just right. Find the hole. Find the hole. Find that hole. That's a little explicit. Don't worry about that. Anyway, get a hand tight, or tight as you can, so it can stay up there by itself. Then that's when you come in with your tools and tighten it up with your tools. And it's best to go crisscross. So from here to here, and from here to here. Either way, just do crisscross so it can seat properly. You need to seat properly. Do crisscross when you tighten it up. Okay, now we got the wheel hub back on. Don't forget, like I said, you're gonna need the rotor set screw. So I'm gonna put that on. Rotor. Line it up. Okay, so check this right here out. So this customer, instead of me reinstalling the old lug nuts that came with the car, he want to go different and put some aftermarket studs inside of it, wheel studs. Where it's gonna poke out a little bit, which is fine. So I reinstall those. But if you do something like that, make sure you put the Loctite. Make sure you secure it with Loctite. All right. Hey, okay, so what's up with everybody? As you see, we just finished working on that 335, BMW 335is, doing the wheel hub on that, man. So, as you can see, that right there was a process. Just like I said on my last video with the pedal, everything's a process. Life is a process. But what I want to talk about on this one right here is having multiple sources of income. As you can see, I have the mobile detailing thing. I have mobile mechanic. I have my my detailing brand, my clothing brand, the detailer. Go shop at detailerlife.com if you want some of the detailer clothing brand. Go check us out on there, the detailerlife.com. I got my clothing brand going. And then I also have investment properties. My wife is a realtor, so my wife is the greatest. So yeah, we have real estate properties. I mean, we have leasing properties as well. So excuse me. But yeah, we have properties as well. So I have different sources of income, because once one thing falls off, you have the next thing. You know what I'm saying? So what if it's raining? I can't do no detailing. Well, I do my mechanic work. Boom, I'm inside somebody's garage doing mechanic work. Okay, what if I don't have no mechanic work, or I don't have no details to do? Boom, I have some orders that I gotta make for my clothing brand. Okay, well what if they're right there not going on? I'm not tripping, because now I got my rent houses, people getting houses. So boom, you know what I'm saying? Money's always coming in. It's never just one source of income. In this day and age, you have to have more than one source of income. You gotta have more than one source of income. My boy Miles just hit me up, so we're doing brakes on his car. Supposed to been doing it on Monday, but he just hit me up and said, can we do it on Tuesday? Ooh, I don't know, bro. We're going to have to see about that, because I know I got to go out to the cigar lounge on Tuesday. I got some work I got to do out there. But anyway, have more than one source of income all the time. You know what I'm saying? Because you never know when something is going to fall off. And then you can't put, that's when that old saying comes in where it say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's true. That's facts. That's big facts. You know what I'm saying? You can't put all your eggs in one basket, because you never know what's going to happen. If you drop that basket, then boom, that's all you got. You know what I'm saying? So, have more than one source of income. so your money can always be continuous. You always got money coming in from somewhere. One source, two source, three source. Just like NFL players, they have or basketball players or whoever, celebrities or whoever. They have houses, they have land, they have these different sponsors, not sponsors, but different what? They got, you know what I'm talking about. Shit, you know what I'm talking about. They got different sources of income, man. Hold on, let me pull over so I can stop driving and talking to y'all. But yeah, they got different sources of income, man. So you gotta make sure you have more than one source of income. More than one source of income. Like I said, I have my mobile mechanic work, I have my mobile detailing, I have my clothing brand, the detailer. Go shop at detailerlife.com for the clothing brand. And then I have rent houses. So if anything fails, I'm always good. Cause I got another source of income. You know what I'm saying? So if you have more than one talent or more than one passion or more than one gift, dig into those other gifts, dig into those other passions so you can continuously make money. You know what I'm saying? So your money, your flow won't stop. My flow don't stop. I ain't trying to brag, I ain't trying to be braggadocious or nothing, but my flow does not stop. You know what I'm saying? You can't never have your flow stop. Because when your flow stop, bills are still gonna be stacking up on you. Don't let that happen to you. Don't go off on the deep end and don't be ready for it. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, so have more than one source of income. Hey, stay with me, man. Stay with me. I got other videos coming, man. Stay with me. You know what I'm talking about? Man, let me keep on. Get from the front of their house, man. But yeah, stick with me, man. I still got more videos coming. I got more techniques. I got more tools. I got more mechanic work coming. I got more detailing tips and tricks, everything, man. Stick with me, man. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, ring that bell, ring that bell, ring that bell, and get notified whenever I drop another video, man. Until then, I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay blessed, man. Keep grinding. Don't ever stop, man. And until then,